Video, I'm going to show you how you can use Deepseek, this AI that is definitely something new, something that is actually changing the world in order to make money online. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So this is something that you're interested. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be showing how you can use DeepSeek in order to earn money online. Okay. By the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, please check the very first link in the description. Now, let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page and you're going to have all the information you need if you're really serious about earning money with DeepSeek. Just in case that you guys don't know what this is, this is an AI tool. It's really similar to ChatGPT, but they're different. There's some difference, and I'm going to be talking about that in a moment. I'm going to show you why this strategy works so well with DeepSeek and why we need to use DeepSeek, okay? So first, something really important. You can create your account. It's 100% free by the time creating this video to create your account, okay? So you don't need to invest anything in order to have a DeepSeek account. Now on DeepSeek, you're going to notice that definitely I use DeepSeek a lot. Okay, DeepSeek is going to be asking you like this. It's going to be blank. Okay, so it's going to be more like this when you just get started. It's going to be asking you how it's going to help you. Okay, there are two things that I already have ticked. So chances are that when you just get started, you have them on tech. Okay, this is to get information from the internet, and this is to get use of the artificial intelligence. Okay, here you're going to have here use DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems, and here is to search the web whenever it's necessary. Okay, so that's actually something really, really powerful, and that's one of the reasons why I really like DeepSeek because of the information that I get, because of the answer that it's actually given me. Now, we are gonna have, or we're gonna need a product to promote, okay? Because if you want to earn money, hey, you need to help people solving the problems, okay? But you don't need to create your own product, okay? You can go to a website such as ClickBank. This is the one that I'm going to be using on this example. If for some reason you cannot use ClickBank on your uh, country for whatever reason, there are alternatives, okay? You can use the Store 24, you can use Wire Plus, you can use Commission Junction, Share a Sale, okay, JVSU. There are tons of alternatives. You can even Google ClickBank alternative, and there are going to be tons of alternatives. So you don't have to be like, hey, I must use ClickBank. No, this is just for example, and this is one that I really like. Okay. Now you can create your free account as an affiliate here by clicking here where it says affiliates start here. Okay. It's going to be asking you your name, your email address. Sometimes they do have a questionnaire. Just answer it and you can create your account. So you're going to have the opportunity to go to the marketplace. As you can see here, they do have different categories. For example, we have game, fiction, mobile, parenting, self-help, software, okay? Because people are looking for information all day long for different topics, okay? But the top three niches online in order to earn money is health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, those are the top three niches if you are looking to earn money online. Okay, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel right now pretty consistently. Okay, so in my case, I'm gonna go here with the health and fitness. Okay, it called different on different marketplace is what we call. So right now I'm going to be sorting them, okay, by gravity from high to low. Okay, Diana, what does this means? Because it's had different names. Okay, this literally means that they are, you know, a group of affiliates who are earning money with the product. Okay. There is a group of affiliates who are earning money with the product. Okay. So it's not just one person. It's not two. No. Okay. There is a group of affiliates, and this is what I want, because if people are, getting results, that means that I'm going to have a possibility to get results as well. So right now I have here from high to low. I have different products, different commissions. For example, this one pay over $100, 135 or 37 cents. This one pay 146.40. This one pay 129.70. Okay, you're going to review the product. You can click here and you can see the sales page. So you can have more information about what the product looked like, how it actually helped people. If you're already tested in the past, okay, you can actually promote it. Okay, the product that I'm gonna go with, it's this one, which is called Nanotonic. Okay, this one, which is called Nanotonic. Um, the average conversion is 166 63 with 76 cents. Okay, if I click here, you're gonna be landing here on the sales page, which is telling me that nanotonic, the potent Eastern elixir that targets stubborn fat quickly and easily. Okay, it gives me some explanation. This is a physical product, so that means that people are gonna get it. Okay, people can have 30 scoops. It helps people, lose fat. It's an energy booster, anti-aging, and all this stuff. Okay, but I'm gonna scroll down, and here's some of the ingredients here or key components. Okay, for example, you have the camu camu, we have the EG, EGCG, okay. This one, I don't know how to pronounce it, the ashwagandha, Panax, okay, so you get it, okay. I'm going to be using this because I'm going to be asking Deepseek, okay, to help me write an article. Okay. I'm just showing you right now the sales page so you can see like it has bonuses, you have testimonials. So this is one of the reasons why this product is actually performing well. And also because it's delivered, what it's from. Okay. So my focus is going to be on this. I'm going to be talking about the key ingredient and how it actually help people so I can drive traffic, basically eyeballs, to people who are interested in solving the problem, okay, with this ingredient. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the tick. Okay, I already did this. You need to click here where it says deep thinking and search. Okay, they need to be tick. Now, I told it, say, like, let me scroll up. Really simple. Please write a 2,000 word article about the benefits of camel camel. Okay, so it took 32 seconds before the command gets started because of the configuration that I have. Remember that the first one is that Deepseek, it's going to be using Deepseek R1 to solve reasoning problems. So it's going to be thinking, to put it in a name. Okay. So now it says, okay, I need to write a 2,000 word article about the benefit of camel camel. Let me start by recalling what I know about camel camel. It is a fruit, right? From Amazon. I think high in vitamin C, maybe some antioxidant, but I should verify that. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. So it's thinking here, getting into conclusion. Okay. Now it's getting information from the web and all this stuff. So it starts with all the information that it gathered. It start, creating the article that I'm going to be sharing. Okay. Really well written. Now, where do I share this? Okay. There's different websites that you can use. In this example, I'm going to be using Medium. Okay. You can go to medium.com and you can create an account and you can start writing. Okay. So you're going to be a writer. Okay. Please make sure that you are going to learn and read about the terms and conditions because, there are some limitations and yes, there are some rules and guidelines that you need to follow, okay? And they're always changing. By the time we're recording this video, you won't have any kind of trouble by doing this, okay? Because there's a lot of people who are actually, you know, sharing information. For example, we have this one. It already have 26 claps, which is basically likes, over 600 response, which are comments. Okay. So people are looking for information here. People are interacting. And this is the reason why we want to use Medium. Okay. We're going to be sharing the information. Once you create your account, you're going to click here where it says write. Okay. And literally you can click here and you can copy the article. Okay. You can copy the article here. Okay. I place it here really fast. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna need to, to clean some things here, but it's actually good enough. Okay. So this is gonna be the title. I'm gonna click here. I can add some images. I can add some videos. Okay. Here's my title. Okay. But most importantly, I can add my link. Okay. I can also add my link. I can have a call to action. Let's say that the call to action, it's this one. So here I can add my link, which is going to be my affiliate link. Okay. So where do you get it? Okay. You're going to click here where it says promote in order to get your affiliate link. That's the link that you're going to be using. Okay. But remember that there are other places in which you can actually share this art. Okay, you can go the same route as with ClickBank. You can type on Google medium alternatives. You're gonna go with vocal media, for example. So there are difference. Okay. Also, you can share the information on Pinterest. Here I type camel camel. Here are some images. Okay. And you can share the link to the article that you already have on Medium. So it's going to be driving traffic. It's going to be driving eyeballs to the article. So when people click here, for example, here and visit my site, okay, you're going to notice that this is an article, okay, and this article, it's the same, okay. People can get information. People can buy the product if they want, okay. Here they have the thing on Pinterest. Okay, but if you want to learn how you can do it in a professional way, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Why? Because you can be capturing people name and email address. So with that said, you are going to have the opportunity to promote more than one product. Okay, because you can be starting sending email. And with this, you're going to have the opportunity to earn passive income. Okay. Right now, with the strategy that I just shared with you, it is an okay strategy to get started, but you're going to have just one opportunity to grab people attention and for them to make a purchase. Chances are that there are going to be people who are interested on this product, but maybe they're not on the right place, or maybe they don't have the money right away. Okay. So if you want to learn how you can do this professionally, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay. So you can learn how to do this, and you're going to have the opportunity if you want to replace a full-time job. In my case, I was able to replace not only one, but two full-time jobs. Okay. So I'm going to be leaving a link below. Again, if you get that further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.